Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x square by cube root of x is equals to 9x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write this as x square by, we have a rule, exponent rule, n power is a, square root a, we can write it as a power 1 by n. So similarly, we can write it as x power 1 by 3 is equals to 9x. Now, according to exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So x power 2 minus 1 by 3 is equals to 9x. So 2 minus 1 by 3, if I'll take the LCM, 3, here 2 times 3 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 by 3, that is 5 by 3. So x power 5 by 3 is equals to 9x. Now I'm going to divide both sides by x. So we can eliminate this x with this. Now again I'm going to use this rule. So here x power 5 by 3 minus 1 is equals to 9. So 5 by 3 minus 1, if we take the LCM, 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 3. So x power 2 by 3 is equals to 9. Now we can multiply both the powers by 3. So we can eliminate. So x square is equals to 9 power 3. So x square is equals to 9 times 9 times 9. So x square is equals to, we can also write it as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So x is equals to square root 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And we can write this as 3 times 3 times 3. That is 27. So the value of x is plus minus 27. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.